here up with the horizon. See the lamp behind the lamp. This is where we're looking, and I use this thing to indicate where we are looking. So this is the Tenerife, and this is 2 nights ago. This is Tenerife, the beach, live webcam. So this footage you see here, this is a, this is I have something in my hand. I will indicate why we are looking because my finger will cover the whole screen. Uh, need to just point out where to look. And then we had this is 2 nights ago, and I have from last night. So we have a new volcano eruption in Guatemala, and we have you see where I'm looking at. This is within the horizon. It goes up, up. See the orange color, the reddish in the sky. The light lens flare will be like bluish. This is more like reddish. So it's something else. We have been watching this for many years. Nothing to be alarmed over, but of course we are keeping our eyes watching this. It changes from time to time, and this is because of the rotation and the distance. So we have I have pointed out already. So we have a volcano eruption in Guatemala, and we have a red moon in Etna, around above Etna volcano. We had a red moon, rather scary, totally red. So we're gonna see this one from the last night, and we're gonna watch. We're gonna see tip of King Anu, latest images, and I have one picture of the morning star. I can explain what I'm seeing or what you should be seeing as well. This is from last night. You see the reddish in the sky, people. Supposed not to be that bad. And see here some kind of different colors. So this weekend, try to break the siege in Gaza. Activists are trying to land on Gaza shore. They are in Egypt now, gathering. They try to break the Israeli siege on Gaza, and going. Many people are going to follow Gaza, try to go to the Rafah border with Egypt. So let's see here a spaceship of King Anu. I have some pictures. And, see this one about the lights. So this is the moon I was watching. This is the moon. This is what I got. This is Etna. You see here, try not to reflect. But if you look here carefully, this is the Etna camera, and this is the moon up, up. I know I'm reflecting. I'm trying to not reflect, but it's very hard. It's like so. This is it went down here. This is Etna. Etna camera. The moon is that. Is the moon. See how looking people. We're gonna take a image screen of that, and we put it on the thumbnail. So we have one there, and we're gonna take the other one here. Also, we put this one. So I know it's looking crazy and stuff, but this is what I have for you. This is skyline yesterday. So yeah, the sun went down now, a little cloudy, so maybe we see it better. Still reflecting though. Maybe we do like this. So still reflecting. Anyways, this is wild, people. This is the moon, totally red, and it was glowing red. And above the Etna volcano, we talked about Etna connection to the anti. So the word Etna reversed is anti. Anti is antichristus. See also this picture here from yesterday. You see, this is the line here. This is the line here. We have an increase in. Let's see spaceship King Anu, and talked about these blue guys. And this is from 2 days ago, the 5th of June. And here we see it above the building. It went up. You see here, spaceship of King Anu. And it goes up in the sky above the city. And again, here we have it. This is also spaceship of King Anu. And it goes above this building. It goes up, continues up. You see how it's doing? And then here it separates. It goes here. One part is going up there, and one part is there. This is separation. And this is also, we see here, it is going up. You see the real length is not seen because it is invisible. Here we have another picture. You see how the line is coming here. You see the line. You see the edge. You see the line coming from up, from here, going down. So this is the edge here. So this area we need to keep watching. You see what's coming up from this side. So yeah, we go back to this 6th of June, and they had this one. This was the 5th of June. So that's 2 days ago, and this is here 1 day ago yesterday. Start here. You see here the date 6th of June, 25:14 p.m. So here it goes above the building, same direction. Here it goes. You see the length, and it goes up, and then it goes up again. We see it changing shape and form all the time when it's flying. And we will have it as well. You see how it's doing. This is spaceship of King Anu, the Most High Father of Jesus Christ, Uranos. And here we have it as well, above the building, thing like this. So of course we don't see it all. We see only some parts. This is the invisible part here between this point and this one. This is spaceship of King Anu as well. You see it here. We can take this one also. So the red moon, people, it is rather scary to have such a. This one is good as well. So the moon above the volcano, it was something to remember. And see how it's doing. Also, we have it here. So we have this eruption in Guatemala, and of course, Etna is still ongoing. We have several volcanoes ongoing. We have also earthquake in Chile, 6.4, and we have an earthquake in 5 point in I think it is in Papua New Guinea. So we have 2 5s earthquakes. We're gonna check this out. See spaceship in Anu, very long actually. See how long it is. Take a picture now. So the weather is strange actually. Still waiting here for summer. It didn't come yet, and very cloudy and windy. So here we have it also spaceship in Anu. This picture. so it's raining all the time and stuff like that. And I believe because of the volcanoes, we have a lot of clouds, smoke. The in the upper atmosphere it gathers. You see this part also is belonging to the spaceship here. So I believe that's why it affects the weather. The weather is affected because of the smoke coming from the volcanoes will affect the weather, and of course a lot of gases are pulled out in the atmosphere. See clouds are wide. See how it become like that. And this is old one. Just want to show you how long it is. This is spaceship on above the building. See how long it is. And this is the moon here again. So we're gonna do like this. This time we're gonna do it like this. Gonna do it, open it. So yeah, I'm taking pictures. I'm gonna make them big, so you can get them. This is what I was doing. I made them big. So this one you can make it like this. I don't know if you're gonna get it. So now we try this one like this, and we try the other one. This one also very nice. Try this one. So yeah, let's see what's going on with the earthquakes and the volcanoes erupting. We know that this increase. We have also 4 Israeli soldiers killed. You see, 4 IDF soldiers killed. Booby trapped. South. This is yesterday. Everybody's talking about these guys. They were killed in Gaza. Let's read about them. 4 Israeli soldiers were killed and 5 were wounded by explosion in the buildings in southern Gaza, Khan Yunis, on Friday morning, the military said amid ongoing offensive against the Hamas terror group. 2 of the slain soldiers are Sergeant Shane Gross, the Magellan Commando Unit from Gan Yoshia, Staff UAF Raver, Yahalom Compact Engineering Unit from Saudi. So these guys are still dying in Gaza because of Prime Minister Netanyahu. He will not um, uh, stop. So you see here, he will not stop. Palestinian media reports 12 killed in strike on Khan Yunis. He will not stop until yeah, the end of time. I dare to say maybe, but we don't know really. But still bombing in Gaza, and see here, people, these are the guys killed. So not going good for Israel Netanyahu. So let's see here, Flotta to Gaza. They're gonna break the siege on Gaza. So this is the one here. Latest news. Madeleine, Gaza flotilla life. Greta Thunberg crew move towards Gaza. So this is the ship, and this is to block. So this is Israeli gonna expected to block the Freedom Flotilla protest ship. They will not gonna allow it to land. So they're gonna challenge the block. Here, Greta. So this is Greta Thunberg is Gaza flotilla could reach Israeli waters over the weekend. What you need to know. So this is Greta. She is leading this campaign. Israeli officials have vowed not to allow the ship pulling the Madeleine to dock. Country's navy are probably preparing to rebuff the ship if necessary, arrest its passengers. The group is carrying supplies for Gazan Palestinians protesting what they are Israel illegal, decades-long blockade and ongoing genocide in the enclave. So a lot of voices are rising up. They don't want this genocide to continue. That's all. That's all. So we have earthquakes here today. This is Papua New Guinea. You see here. This is today, 7th of June, 5 point. This is where it hit. Rather, 5 is not. It's not a biggie, but it's like it can cause a lot of damage. Even it can, depending where it hits. Another one today also, June 7. This is Colombia, 5.1. You see here, also Colombia, 5. So 2.5 today. So we have this here, recent, this very good site. You see here, Kyrgyzstan, 5 also today. So we have 3 5 point people, earthquakes in Papua New Guinea, in Colombia, and in Kyrgyzstan. See here another 5 in Bismarck Sea, New Guinea, and in Colombia. So this is all 3 5 today. So we expect another one tonight. Uh, like I believe maybe hard disease, maybe all foreshocks. So maybe expect another one tonight. Very like 6. We expect 6. I don't know where it hit. Well, it will come like because there's pressure on the crust. And I told you this is 3 5. It's still in the morning, early morning. 3 5 earthquakes magnitude. Yesterday we had one in. Uh, this is in the ocean, South Pacific Ocean near Australia, 5.9. And we have this in Chile, 6.4 yesterday. So it is, this is where he's hitting. So this here one, Papua New Guinea, here the South Pacific, here in Kyrgyzstan, in Colombia, in Chile, and here, I don't know what's called, this is the region. This is, yeah, this is South Tonga. So this is, all these are 5, 6, and 5s within 24 hours, people. Less than that, 12 hours maybe. So let's look like 4, 5, 2, 4 are 5 magnitude. 1 is 6 magnitude. This is very, very rare. This is indication of increased volcanic earthquake activity that also will affect the volcanoes, and that's why we have this volcano erupting. This is volcano de Fuego in Guatemala. Spits fire again. You see here, people. This is 6th of June. You see here, 6th of June. This is today, yesterday. So this is people had to leave their homes, and roads and schools were closed following the eruption of the volcano of fire, Guatemala. So this is what I'm telling you, people. This stuff will increase because this stuff is connected. What's going on the spiritual world, on Earth, on the surface of the Earth, is going this battle in Gaza and ongoing these massacres and genocide. If it continues to affect the Earth will not accept that. That blood is coming down, and this will affect the consciousness of the Earth. So mm, Earth crust will be shaking, and we will have volcanoes erupting, and we'll have a lot larger earthquakes. Just because nobody is listening to my warnings, I warned all the leaders to stop the killing, stop the war in Gaza, and they didn't care. And now we're gonna suffer because of these atrocities, the crimes they are committing in Gaza. So this is a warning. The red moon, people, you saw it. It is a warning. Um, we're gonna write the red moon and the eruption of the volcano in Guatemala, and that will be all for now. And tonight maybe I will gonna make a new update on situation. That's all, people. Blessings.